Thank you. I thank the honourable member for the question. For the project in question, Wailailai is completed. Bucalevu is still in progress, while Soa and Matuku is yet to start. The total cost of Wailailai settlement is 98,000, benefiting 13 households. For Bucalevu Village, Nakorotubu, and grid extension works is completed, and house wiring is planned to commence next month. The total project cost is 170,000. It will benefit 15 households. For Soa and Matuku Village in Ra, the ministry through the Department of Energy is processing the final 50% payment to Energy Fiji Limited for grid extension works. The total cost of the project is 713,000, which is planned to commence in August this year. The project is envisaged to benefit a total of 152 customers. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Honourable.
Supplementary question, sir. Just a question to the Minister. Some communities like in Tuisawau and Sawan and Itasiri, and those living in the villages of Natua, Windamoli, Roval, and Nengangi, is in Wailailai West, the town road. Minister, they've also been waiting for. Is this the same kind of the same program that they are also coming under, or is it another program? Because they have been waiting from last year since September, October, which they were told that the grid will be extended to, and again this year the same story. I just want to know whether it's the same program, so we can let people know that while they're waiting for the confirmation from the Ministry of Works on the Department of Energy. Sorry.
Honourable Member, when the Honourable Minister is given his reply, then you may rise to ask your supplementary question. Honourable. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
No. Wait until he replies. Thank you, Honourable Minister. You may reply.
Thank you, sir. That's a totally new question. Totally new question. Because right now we are at the Wailailai River. And I don't know why you brought up those areas which are not around there. But anyway, there is a limited budget. So, but all those requests. Okay, I'll turn this way.
Could we let the Minister reply?
So all the requests are there. I'm not sure about the status of it, but definitely as a government which is concerned about social development, social equity, and development for all, rather than specific which are targeted towards your voters. I mean, it's all there. We will. I can follow up on that. You can contact me separately, and I will follow up on that. But the extension of the grid is very costly. So normally we look at the number of households there, number of beneficiaries. So there's some cost-benefit analysis. We cannot extend it if it costs $500,000 and there's just 3 houses there. So that's the kind of, I think, considerations that need to be put into place. I mean, they need to be considered. And the other one is the budget, of the limited budget. But we are working with development partners through UNDP and also, I think it was COICA, to expand the Rural Electrification Fund. Thank you.